Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to run ads on Gumroad. So Gumroad right here has a built-in search and recommendation network called Gumroad Discover. And that's the only thing that we're going to talk about today. We're not going to talk about running external ads like Meta, Google, or TikTok, right? So instead of charging you up front, Gumroad takes an extra cut of the sale if they successfully find a customer for you. So again, how it works, you might ask, your product right here is recommended to buyers browsing the Gumroad marketplace or at the bottom of receipts for similar products. So how to set it up? Again, here is the product page or product section. When you go ahead and click on one, for example, this one, or create a new product, and then just go ahead over to share. So when you go ahead and click on share, you would need to go ahead and scroll down to the bottom of the page and you will be able to see Gumroad Discover. Okay. Again, Gumroad Discover. So all you got to do in this specific section is to choose a relevant category and add in specific tags or keywords so that the algorithm knows who you target. And by the way, before you can click on share right here, just make sure that you have an active payout account. All right. So just follow the basic prompts in there. You'll be able to see a slider to choose your free boost. And Gumroad takes a flat fee normally, but you can choose to allow them to take 30% or more on discovered different sales to give your product higher visibility and recommendations. And that's how easy it is to run ads on Gumroad. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.